In today's video, we're going to be making a do-it-yourself hair oil that not only benefits your hair in the most amazing ways, but it also helps to open up your crown chakra. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello, if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. All right, you guys, today I'm excited. Okay, so you guys know that I come on my channel to talk to you guys about a lot of the things that I'm learning, I'm experiencing, and I want to always share it with you guys. So I've been diving into the crown chakra lately a lot, and when you dive into something and you're on a spiritual journey and your energy is good, I feel like the universe rewards you. So we got a sponsor, and I feel very, very grateful and very, very thankful for this sponsor because it goes so hand in hand with the video that I wanted to do for you guys. So in today's video, we're going to be making a hair oil. This is to help your hair grow, like really grow. Thick, long, luscious. Treats split ends, gets rid of dry hair, gets rid of dull hair. It makes your hair feel and look thicker. It's not greasy. Like, this oil is completely amazing. Not only just because of all the benefits it has on your hair itself, but also because it activates and balances your crown chakra. We're gonna get into all the ways that you can tell if your crown chakra is off in this video. Here's the oil that I made. I'm going to tell you guys everything that's in here. It's just 2 things, plus 2 crystals, that's it. And then on top of that, I'm going to show you guys how I use it, how I put it on my hair after I wash it off, what it looks like. So I want you guys to see everything. I want you guys to see how I feel afterwards and all of that. So the company that sponsored our video today is IQ Natural. All right, you guys, so they sent me their castor oils, black Jamaican castor oil. This is one of the best oils you could ever put on your hair, and magically, spiritually, it has very beautiful properties for your energy. So if you guys want to go through the process of making the oil yourself, like me, I love to make it myself. They send you 2 of these and a lavender, pure lavender essential oil, 2 of these, as well as a mixing bottle itself, and it's under $20. So amazing deal, amazing quality, like you can't go wrong with that. But if you guys are not like that and you guys just want the oil already pre-mixed, you get the Jamaican black castor oil mixed in with pure lavender essential oil. This is all organic, and they also do send you a bottle with this one too. So if you guys are interested in this, this is a company that sponsored our video today. This is what we're gonna be using to activate our crown chakra and also grow our hair. Okay, so if you guys are interested in these, I'll leave the link down below. A very, very good company, IQ Natural, and they are USDA organic. Amazing, amazing company. Now, okay, before we get started with the oils, I do want to say there is castor oil and then there is Jamaican black castor oil. I want to tell you guys the difference really, really quickly. So castor oil is fresh pressed beans, fresh pressed castor beans. There's no heat involved. And castor oil is lighter in color. Now, Jamaican black castor oil, as you guys can see, is pretty dark. And this is because the beans are roasted before they're pressed. Jamaican black castor oil has a higher pH level than regular castor oil. And that's why I like to use Jamaican black castor oil over regular castor oil. Okay. A few things I want to get into before we get started on making the oil, which is so easy. Oh my God, it is so easy. But before we get started into that, I do want to explain to you what the crown chakra is, how do you know that it's imbalanced, and how do you fix it? I mean, basically you're kind of fixing it with the oil, but the crown chakra is our 7th chakra. It rests upon our head. And it is our connection with the divine. It is our spiritual connection. It is our connection with source, God, our higher self, whatever you want to call it. It is that connection that has to do with our crown chakra. This chakra is also known as the void because nobody can really explain how it feels completely when it's activated. That's like, it's just the void. It's limitless. It's just divine consciousness. It's pure ethers, the universe. Like, it's so vast. It's like you tapping into God energy, and that's why a lot of people call it the void. It's because when it's activated, you just become infinite. By working with and on your crown chakra, you can get rid of and eliminate so many limiting beliefs, negative thoughts, limiting thoughts, past belief systems that don't serve you. Like any thought process, behavior process, habits you have that are not serving you, by working with your crown chakra, by activating it, balancing it, you can get rid of these. If your crown chakra is imbalanced or spinning too fast or too slow, some of the symptoms that you will feel are depression, insomnia, confusion. You feel lost, you can't make decisions. It's very, very hard to decide something. Fears come up, you're exhausted, you're frustrated. You feel very, very slow, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and you just feel disconnected. Disconnected from source, disconnected mind-body disconnections, just disconnected from the world. You just feel alone and isolated. Now, when your crown chakra is balanced, you feel at peace, you feel at one, you feel bliss, tranquility, serenity, you feel calm. Not only that, but you allow yourself to feel joy. You allow yourself to feel the pleasures of life. It's easy, it's natural. Now, the reason that I wanted to create a crown chakra oil for myself, because you guys know I only share with you guys things that I'm trying myself, that are working, things that I am experiencing myself that are helping me move forward on my spiritual journey. I want to share with all of you guys. So the biggest thing is that I was feeling a lot of mental confusion, airheadiness. I just felt slow in my mind. I felt disconnected. Like, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. In this spiritual journey, sometimes there's ups and sometimes there's downs. Here's the thing that we need to realize though, is when we have our down moments, we have the tools and resources to change that. Sometimes we're not strong and capable enough to do it just with our mind like other people are, like yogis and gurus and sadhus. I'm not at that level yet, but I do realize that there are tools out there to help me. So I created this oil, and this oil is amazing because it helped with all of that. It gave me mental stability, freedom in my mind, it cleared up the mental fog, helped me relax, helped me be at peace with myself. It's amazing how tools can help you, and the tools are out there, but we're not exposed to it. And so that's why I wanted to create this video, is to let you guys know that these tools are out here if you guys are feeling this way. Okay, so what we're gonna need for this crown chakra opening hair oil is Jamaican black castor oil, and you're going to need lavender oil. So lavender essential oil has to be natural. It has to be all authentic and natural, because natural essential oils carry a very, very powerful vibration because they are natural and they are extracted from actual lavender, and it's just pure lavender extract. So this company, IQ Natural, you have so many different options. So if you guys want to skip this first step that I'm about to show you, which is mixing the lavender with castor oil, you can get their black Jamaican castor oil that already has the lavender essential oil. So you can skip all of these steps. But if you're like me and you like to actually like get your hands in there, get your energy in there, you would want to get their Jamaican black castor oil and their lavender essential oil. These are organic. These are 100% pure and natural. Okay, so the really, really exciting thing is, and I feel like I almost have to whisper this to you guys because it's like, it's a really good deal. So you get 2 of these, you get 2 Jamaican black castor oils, this size, and then you get a lavender essential oil, and you guys, they even throw in a bottle like this. I'm not going to be using it for the video, but I thought it was really, really convenient if you guys do not like have a bottle that I'm about to show you. And and you can just mix everything right in here. If you opt to go with their black Jamaican castor oil with the lavender essential oil already in it, then you can just grab this and skip this step. But if you guys are like me and you guys like to get your hands all in there, your energy all in there, then this next step is for you. You're also going to need lavender essential oil. You're going to need a bottle, a clear bottle. You're also going to need a clear quartz crystal and an amethyst crystal. These are very, very powerful to open up your crown chakra. This is optional, but I have here a crown chakra sticker. And what I'm gonna do is put that on my bottle to charge and activate and program my oil, as well as my crystals, to open and balance out my crown chakra. Okay, first thing we're going to do is put our sticker on our bottle, because we want to make sure that everything we drop in here is just being programmed with the energy of the crown chakra. We want to open and balance and activate our crown chakra. So this is optional. You can draw this on your bottle. You can print out a photo and glue it onto your bottle. The next thing you want to do is put in your amethyst crystal and your clear quartz crystal. Drop that into your bottle. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is take our lavender oil and drop a few drops into our bottle. So I'm dropping quite a few because I want my oil to be strong and potent, and I love the smell of lavender, so I want this to be really heavily infused. You can definitely go with whatever you guys want. If you guys want more lavender scented, heavy lavender scented, or it's all completely optional and up to you. This is where you can get like really customized to your own needs. The next thing I'm going to do is take my Jamaican black castor oil and drop that into my bottle. Jamaican black castor oil is pretty thick and dark and heavy, and I love that. You guys, this oil absorbs into your hair so beautifully. It doesn't even look oily, and that's just amazes me every time I use this. You guys, so our crown chakra hair oil is all done. It is ready to use. Okay, so before I get started, I do want to let you guys know I am in a new location right now. This location is temporary. I do want to say very synchronistically, somehow what happened is we booked this place, and as soon as we walked into the door, we saw this. Like, I feel like the universe has my back. It showed me a sign. I want you guys to see it. Like, this is not mine. This was here this is a temporary place right now. I'm filming for you guys, but I just wanted to say that before I start, because you guys probably see the background and be like, what the heck, where are you? But yeah, I just wanted to say that before I get started. So let's go ahead and apply this oil on my hair. I'm so excited. So what you want to do is apply it all over your hair, and while you're applying it, you want to focus on your crown chakra, and it's spinning again. You want to focus on positive thoughts. If you want to, you can play some meditative music. But I do want to explain a few things while I'm applying this on my hair. So this oil, mixed in with the crystals, mixed in with the yantra of the crown chakra, and with these pure, natural oils, they carry a huge vibration in itself. So Jamaican black castor oil is ruled by Mars. It is a fire element. It is a very, very high vibration of protection, and it clears negative energy. Now, castor seeds were put in Egyptian tombs. So you guys can tell just by that alone how protective it has been believed to be since ancient times. Now, lavender is very calming and soothing, and it can be used for all your chakras, not just your crown. That's the beauty of lavender oil. But specifically, I'm using lavender oil to open up my crown chakra because it releases pent up, built up energy, blocked energy. It helps your life force, your chi, to flow through each chakra. It helps open each and every single chakra, so that you're not just focusing just on the crown, but you're also helping each and every single one of them, so that everything is flowing nicely, even though our main goal is to open up our crown. So lavender also brings calmness, peace, tranquility, bliss, serenity. It allows you to connect to the divine, your divine, your higher self, your truth. Now, amethyst is a very, very powerful crystal to open up your crown chakra because it is violet, purple. That is the color of this chakra. And it's just going to help activate it and soothe and ease your mind so that your crown chakra can become balanced again. Clear quartz amplifies the energy of anything you put it near. Lavender and Jamaican black castor oil helps to awaken the follicles so that the hair starts growing back again. They help your hair grow thicker, longer, and shinier. They help to make your hair back into a healthier state. They help your hair look and feel thicker. That's why I love to use this on my hair. And this is an oil that you could put it on your hair as a leave-in conditioner. You don't have to wash it off. But use a little bit if you're gonna use it as a leave-in conditioner. If you're gonna use it as a hair mask like I'm doing today, use that as much as you want. So I'm going to leave this on my hair for about an hour, 2 hours, maybe overnight, we'll see. And then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the results. Alright guys, so I just took a shower, I washed my hair, as you can see I have no makeup on, and I'm in my onesie. What I did is just let my hair air dry, and it dried really, really soft. Like if you guys can see it's a huge difference. So I want to show you guys the back really quickly too. It just made my hair really soft. Do you guys see that shine? You guys see how the light reflects? That's how you know that an oil really, really put moisture back into your hair. If you guys can see, my hair is like flowy and nice and just soft, and I can run my fingers through it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY video, and I hope you guys try this out because it works amazing. I feel a difference. I feel calmer, mentally clear-headed, I feel good, relaxed, and I just feel like I'm in a better place. And I feel like it's the oil, my intention that I put in the oil, the crystal, and just, it's amazing. It feels good. It feels really, really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.